guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mona right here in front of you, and today I'm so glad that I'm gonna do a review for you guys. So I received this Glamego box which reads, by the way, Merry Christmas. It has this very cute artwork of Santa on it, and I'm extremely in love with this Santa Claus. I really love this box. Like, this has become my personal favorite. I love this box. This is how the box looks inside. There is a card inside and it reads, refill your favorites, up to 4,500 worth products. I'll tell you what is the concept behind sending this box. Basically, over a period of time, they've sent so many boxes, there are so many products, and I'm sure each and everyone has got their own favorites. So they give you a chance to refill your old stock. So if you have already run out of the products, you can definitely get them in this box. So I'm going to show you what are the products in this box. So the first one I'm going to show you is this, the Mond'Sub Crystal Collagen Eye Mask. I'm assuming this is going to be for under eye dark circles and hydration. It retails for 200 rupees. This is a product from Osaka, Japan. So this is a face wash for your acne and pimple. I've already gotten this face wash in the past. I don't know if this face wash really helps you clear off your acne or your pimples or the marks or whatever, but I just know that it has got a very refreshing fragrance to it. Like, whenever you wash your face, you're gonna love the experience because it smells amazing. I'm gonna show you the consistency of this product. So it has got a very, very creamy consistency. I'm just gonna, it's like mint, you know, it's actually so good. I can't tell you, it's so refreshing. My face feels so refreshed because it has got that cooling effect to it. This face wash retails for 99 rupees. You can buy it from Amazon or anywhere. Now let's move on to the next product, which is the Inveda BB Cream. It reads, it's 8-in-1. You can basically use it as a primer, you can use it as a color corrector, you can use it as a SPF. There are a lot of uses of this cream, and it is for 150 rupees. I'm going to show you the consistency of this. Okay, it's really hard. I have to really squeeze hard for it to come out. Okay, it is not a great texture, I feel. It has got some sort of strands in it, and see, this is the texture, and I'm just going to use my hands to, I'm going to smell it. Okay, I am not a fan of the smell. It is very synthetic and not something that I would like. This is very hydrating and soft, so you can definitely use it as a primer. But I don't think, since the undertones are pinkish, I don't think you can use it as a BB cream, because eventually your face will end up looking grey and ashy, and we don't want that, right? So this is a good primer, so you can apply it on your face and then you can apply a foundation on it, and it will give you a nice finish. Moving on to the next product. So they've sent this Bello Voste Ultime Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I have ordered the color Gothy Plum, and this is how the color is. Like, it's crazy, like really crazy, and I love how it looks. I'm just going to show you how it swatches on my hand. So this is how the color is. I will show it to you once it dries off. And guys, this retails for 599 rupees. This is an awesome product, and you can find it on Amazon, and I think you can also find it on Nykaa as well. Do is I will actually find the links to all these products and put it down in the description box below, so that if you wish to buy them, you just have to click the link and immediately put it in your cart and buy it. This is how it looks once it dries off. It's a very nice plum color, like a very, very beautiful shade, and it's totally dark and matte, so trust me, it's a beautiful shade. I've tried it on and it's really nice. I just wanted to go a little subtle in this video, that's why I've not put it on, but it's a very, very nice shade, trust me on that. Or last but not the least, I have this Red Wine Sleeping Face Gel by Fluorescence, and I am in love with this. I'm sure if you've seen my previous Glamego videos, you'll know how much I love this product. It is so beautiful, I can't tell you. This is like my weekend rejuvenation mask. Like, whenever it's Friday, I put it on my face and sleep off, because I know I'm gonna wake up late the next day, and you know, my face will have a lot more time to repair itself. The skin will repair. Plus, this gives me a nice moisturized feeling. Like, You don't need to apply your moisturizer once you apply this, because this is so good. And I'm going to show you how it is. It's packed, so I'm going to open it right now for you guys. Okay, this is how it is. Oh god, it smells amazing. It's so divine. It smells of berries and berries, raspberries, strawberries and wine. I'm going to show you what the consistency. It's very gel-like, and you really need a very tiny quantity because a little goes a long way. I'm just going to apply it here and see. That's how the consistency is. This is my go-to face mask gel. Every time I put it on my face, I know I'm going to wake up with alive looking skin. Yeah, this retails for 900 rupees. So guys, you know the product is going to be good. So guys, that's it for now. I'm going to be waiting for my next Glamego box really eagerly, and I'm sure even you are going to. If you want to buy your own Glamego box, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you can click it and order yours. You will get an option to select your products. Please order quickly because otherwise they'll run out of products and you will only be left with the ones that are there, like the ones that you probably don't want, something of that sort. Alright guys, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, that's it for now guys. This is Mona saying bye to you. I will see you very soon.